This system is the best choice for efficient kitchen management as an automated system equipped with both convenience and sanitation.
PRAIM Full Automatic Washing System. The full automatic washing system is conducted in due order with the division of 8 steps, from dish return, sorting of food trays and dishes, and separation of leftover food, the first-time cleaning, input of the main cleaning equipment, the second-time main cleaning, rinsing, drying to loading up. The dishes returned through the dish return window move to rotating blades along the conveyor belt. The dishes safely arriving at the guide are naturally overturned by the movement of the rotating blades, and leftover food on dishes flows down to be removed. The overturned dishes are automatically sorted into the trays and dishes, moving to the next step along individual conveyor belts. The trays and dishes moving along individual conveyor belts go through the first-time cleaning, and leftover food is removed. The leftover food scraps are neatly removed by the 4-way spraying cleaning water, and then efficient cleaning is achieved as the cleaning water flows down naturally by the overturned dishes by virtue of the patented technology of the full automatic washing system. In the same manner as the first-time cleaning, the cleaning water is sprayed in 4 directions, even in the main cleaning device, doing main cleaning and rinsing of dishes. Inside the main cleaning device, cleaning, rinsing and drying process is all automatically done. The dishes finished with cleaning come out of the main cleaning device to be automatically loaded up, so it's possible to do efficient arrangement. The PRAIM Full Automatic Washing System makes possible more efficient, sanitary dish cleaning than the existing products. In case of the existing products, a worker directly handled the leftover food at the time of leftover food disposal. In contrast, in case of the full automatic washing system, automatic leftover food disposal is available through the application of the technology of overturning dishes using the rotating blades, which are the very patented technology of this system. In addition, this system improved the first-time cleaning by getting the part for the first-time cleaning through 2 to 3 workers' manual work before the part is put in for main cleaning to be automatically put into the cleaning device. In other words, this system is composed so that dishes can be put into the cleaning device through their automatic overturn, without separate workers through the application of innovative technical skills for automatic overturn of dishes, not seen in the existing products. In case of the existing products, it was difficult for users to do efficient cleaning due to the collected cleaning water in a great many non-overturned dishes. However, in case of the PRAIM Total Automatic Cleaning System, cleaning crews' work efficiency increases by virtue of availability of transport, leftover food disposal, and the first-time cleaning, as all dishes are accurately overturned, although a separate worker is not required in the process of tableware separation and arrangement. In case of the existing products, the dishes and trays were separated left and right with the rails slanting, but in case of the full automatic washing system,
separate cleaning is done with dishes and trays separated up and down through rotating blades. On this account, this system effectively solved the problem of much space occupancy in the existing method, and accordingly, it's possible to use this product effectively, even in small cleaning space. Putting overall comparisons together, the PRAIM full automatic washing system is operable only with 2 workers, unlike the existing product, which was in need of the operating workforce of 6 to 8 persons, making it possible to definitely reduce the workforce needs. The error generation rate of the PRAIM full automatic washing system is very few, as its overall composition is made in a mechanical way. At the inlets and outlets of the rotating blades, detection sensors are installed, so it's possible to prevent a product from being destroyed by detecting and informing machine malfunctions through the control of indiscriminate dishes input. Each product is composed in a modular way, so it has an advantage in customizable production and offering through a user's sorting of necessary functions. In addition, it is possible to adopt this product at a lot more places of business in a 25% smaller size, as compared with the existing product, and efficiently applicable to even a small size place of business. In addition, the PRAIM full automatic washing system is a product having expandability, so this product makes possible efficient kitchen management because of the applicability of its various functions and techniques which a user wants to own company product. Even more efficiently, even more sanitarily. A choice for a luxury kitchen. The answer is the very PRAIM full automatic washing system.